Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee, and today we'll be showing you how to set up your Profitec Pro 600 espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and the machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box. We recommend saving all of the packing materials and boxes. Set the machine on a stable and level surface. Inspect the machine for damage. If you find any damage, please contact us immediately. Step 2. Water quality and filling the reservoir. Before introducing any water to the machine, it's important to test it to make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the hardness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a reading below 50 particles per million, or ppm. To learn more about our recommendations for water quality, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or click the link in the description of this video. Once you have verified your water is adequately softened and filtered, fill the machine's removable water reservoir. Step 3. Filling your boilers and turning on the machine. Plug in your machine and turn on the power switch. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin filling and then heating the steam boiler. The machine's boilers will be up to temperature, 200 Fahrenheit for the brew boiler, 270 Fahrenheit for the steam boiler, in about 12 minutes. We recommend giving the machine an additional 10 minutes to warm up its portafilter and group head. Also, if you want your machine ready when you wake up, we recommend picking up an appliance timer. At this point, your machine is ready to pull your first shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and simply lift the brew lever all the way up to begin pulling espresso, and flip it all the way down to stop. To learn how to pull great shots and texture milk, watch these videos here. And for more coffee knowledge, don't forget to check back in at clivecoffee.com.